Check out this brand new restaurant here. It's called, and it's really nice. It's very modern, and I don't know how to attack it because it just looks so nice on the plate. Just check that out. It is packed full. Giant fish pond. Just check out all the fish. It's just packed. So we're on the bypass New Arai, and we're going to check out this brand new restaurant here. It's called Sirangon Restaurant. It's all brand new. We'll go in and check it out. It's just open. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and there's no one there at all, which is good. And we'll check out what's going on in the Sirangon Restaurant. I'm not sure what's this big building at the back. It says general contractor there, or if it's actually a hotel. Maybe it's a hotel. It's just a hotel too, is it? Huh? Huh? It's really nice here. I suppose it's separate. There's big parking and a big area down there in the back, and all nice fountains and fish and everything out here. But I'm not quite sure if this is part of the restaurant or whatever. So anyway, we'll go in, check out Sirangon. Hello. Alright, so it's pretty big. It's all new, this. Nice tables, nice timber teak tables. Overlooking the ponds. Yeah, it's very nice. They've got the big kitchen at the back. We'll just go upstairs and have a quick look. Okay, check this out. It's really nice. So you've got toilets upstairs, you've got its own bar, and it's really nice. It's very modern and very nice indeed. See out the windows here, so you can sit in. Look at all this. It's all the fake AstroTurf, but it looks really good. And then there's an outdoor area here. Wow, how nice is this place? So nice. Oh wow, it's big. Big as anything, isn't it? So this is a huge area out here. And check this out. We've got a big fish pond that runs all the way along the whole building. Here they come. Alright, they've got big lounges up there. Wow, it's really, really nice. So bisa rokok di sini ya, bisa? Ya. Oh ya, oke. Duduk sini sayang. Oh, ya. Sini aja lah. Oh ya, we can do that. Sini aja. Sini aja. Ya, pegang dulu ya. Thank you. Wow, how unreal is this? Especially with this giant fish pond. Just check out all the fish. It's just packed, and it goes the whole way along. We saw this somewhere, just advertised new on the internet, and I thought we'd come in to check it out. But yeah, check out these big lounges here. I suppose for little private parties or something. Here, oh, there's a bird stuck in here. Huh? Anyway, I'll try and get this bird out of here. It's one of those doves. Well, alright, the poor little bird was stuck in here. Alright, you ready to fly? And there he goes. Poor little thing, flapping against the window. Anyway, we're going to sit out here. This is very flash. Maybe a little bit too flash for a bush rat like me, eh? Yeah, it really is a nice joint. Check out them giant pearls. Anyway, I'll find out where this building is attached. So that giant building out there is just a building contractor's office. So, yeah, it must be one rich contractor. Anyway, so we'll check out the menu. Sirangon, so it's not Sirangon like the island, which is just up the road actually. And we'll see what they've got. The Royal Sirangon. So they've got appetisers like bruschetta, salads, spring rolls, things like that. Sotoam, laksa, tom yum, soups, oxtail soup. Ooh, the menus are brand new. I don't want to crease it. We've got a pasta menu, pizza menu, steaks. That's what I feel like. All right. Chicken steak with mushroom sauce, Parmigiana 80,000. Oh, it looks alright too, the palmy. Salmon avocado, barramundi, cordon bleu, mixed grill, sirloin steak, and desserts. Just got cakes and stuff like that. Fried banana, cakes, Indonesian archipelago menu. Everything, fried rice, satay, typical Indonesian rice bowls. Okay. Oh, so it's got alcohol, they've got a wine list, drink list. Okay. I think I might go a steak today. Alright, so mixed grill, chicken, prawns, served with potato wedges, salad. It looks like a surf and turf, I suppose it is. Alright. Thank you. Alright, so they give us a little complimentary dish. Looks like sourdough bread and
eggplant sauce.
oh, it's like an eggplant, mashed eggplant, and that you get some bread to dip it in. So we'll try that out. Nice little complimentary dish. So I'm going to get the sirloin steak. So it's actually not too far from Sanur. If you're coming from Kuta end, the last traffic lights, the traffic light past Panoa turn off, it's the last traffic light, and it's probably only about 2 kilometres into Sanur from here. Thank you. So I think I'll just sit out here for a little while I'm waiting for my steak and just check out the fish. I don't think it's a great idea like this. You can actually see the fish like this in an open aquarium. Yeah, it's very good idea. Apparently they've got saxophone music playing. When's it playing?
Every Friday night.
Every Friday night. You've got like a little jazzy saxophone thing going on here. Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Alright, check that out.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so check out this sirloin. It's a huge plate, so it sort of looks small on the plate, but it's not a bad size thing. So you've got the veggies, got the steak. Let's hook in and try this out. How good does that look? I don't know how to attack it because it just looks so nice on the plate. But anyway, we'll hook in. So it's got these little pea sprouts there. So we've got zucchini, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, and some wedges and dark gravy. So we'll just try it out, see what this steak's like. It's medium to well done, and it looks like it's cooked perfect. So, the gravy is very dark, very strong flavoured beef gravy. It's very nice. Let's try some of the potatoes. And the carrots. Zucchini. So Yuli got a tom yum. Wow, check it out. It's on like a big stone.
Yeah, it's so heavy.
Just check that out. It is packed full. Look at that. A lot of mushrooms, seafood, prawns. And then you also get like a sambal and white rice with it. Wow, it looks amazing, doesn't it? What's it like? Tastes like authentic tom yum?
Yeah, but not that strong.
Not that strong?
Yeah.
Okay, looks good.
Yeah.
I'll have the prawns. Right, we'll just try these wedges with a bit of gravy. They're like jacket potatoes, still got the skin on, which is good. A bit more flavour. So I can recommend this as a top quality steak. I'm not sure how big it is. It's probably around max 200 grams, 150 to 200 grams. So the broccoli and the carrots and the zucchini, like, they're not fully cooked, you know, so they're a little bit of crunch, you know, still to them, and they're actually perfect this way, I think. Anyway, so they've obviously got a proper chef in here, that's for sure. Anyway, come and check it out. Ate every last bit on the plate. Really good steaks, really worth a look. Okay, so Yuli, as usual, couldn't finish hers, which is good for me. Try with the tom yum. It's sort of a bit lemony or something. There's a lot of mushrooms in it. It's a little bit spicy, but it's good. He didn't leave me much seafood, just all the mushrooms.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's nice actually. Okay, so they give Yuli a little basket of food, feed these fish. Yeah, thank you. It's very good. Okay, so you pay downstairs on the way out. It's about $30, 331,000. Just pay scan pay. And yeah, it's very good. Thank you. So it's well worth it. The steak was top quality and the chef is a really good chef. So yeah, come in and check it out. Sirangon on the bypass and you arrive. Probably about 2 kilometres from Sanua.